If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing League of Legends, it can be frustrating and affect your gameplay. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag issues. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and check for any background applications that may be using bandwidth. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag during gameplay. Step 3. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers for your network adapter. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching League of Legends, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and improve game performance. Step 5. Use a gaming VPN. If you're still experiencing lag, consider using a gaming VPN. This can help optimize your connection to the game's servers and reduce latency. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy your time on the Rift.